Hi, Peter Rose, Longwood Currency Trading. It's a beautiful day out, and I wanted to come out. We're not going to get very many of these nice days anymore, but I wanted to come out and do a video about sitting on your hands is trading. It's valid for that. And so while I'm doing the video, I'd just like to say that at the end, I've been talking the last few videos about the change that we've been going through from as we move into fall here in New England, and getting all the leaves down and moving towards stick season. So I've done some videos touring around the house. It's probably only about 3 minutes long, but I'll do that at the end of this video, so that if you're not interested in my life travelogue as I do these trading videos, then you can just listen to this and wait until the end of the video, and I'll put some of those up there so you can see the final aspects of it, because we got all the leaves down, so I got pictures of that. We got stick season, I'm walking through the woods, and then we got a snowfall, and that's really pretty, so hang on for that. Jesse Livermore said, "It never was my thinking that made big money for me. It was always my sitting." Got that? My sitting. Sitting is trading. Now, I don't think enough people appreciate that, and I think that's probably a contributing factor to why many traders are going to fail, because they sit down and they do, I've done videos and blog posts on this before, what I call anticipatory trading. They sit down. The reason you sit down at the computer is not to warm the chair, but to trade, you know. So you kind of look and you see, well, you know, if this goes up another 5 pips, you know, that's going to be in my range where I could take the trade, and you know, I'd be 8 or 10 pips ahead on that move if I took the trade right now, and so boom, I'm going to bid it. So and then of course it turns around and it hits your you're already in, and turns around and goes against you, and you're screwed. That's what happens. And so the discipline in all this is to not anticipate the trade. And so if you're sitting at the computer screen watching for indications of an opening coming up, or some volatility increase, or a spread in the ATR that's going on, that's trading, because you're sitting there waiting for certain conditions to manifest themselves, and if they don't, you're not going to trade, you're just going to sit. But that's still trading, because you're there, you're thinking about it. Hell, I'm trading when I'm not even sitting at the computer, when I'm having dinner, because I'm a trader. So whether I'm pushing buttons or I'm just living the life of a trader, it doesn't make any difference. I'm trading. Look, I was a real estate investor for 40 years. Do you think because I had a piece of property in another city and I didn't go visit it or think about it or have to fill out any leases or advertise it or pay the electric bill or anything or whatever on it, that I wasn't a real estate investor? Yeah. And even when I didn't own any property and I was just getting started, I was involved in real estate because I was studying it, I was getting ready, I was talking to my mentor, and when the opportunity came, I understood what value was, and I bought that piece of property. And I've never lost money in real estate, and I've never lost money in real estate finance, because I understand the importance of just sitting there. And part of sitting, I think, is accepting the fact that you're actually doing something by sitting. You are increasing your awareness. Let me get under this tree here. I don't even know if this thing is showing good video. You have to bring your mindset to the fact that actively trading does not necessarily indicate pushing buttons. Active trading is being involved in the market, and that doesn't mean you have to have a position on. It means that you're cognizant of the pricing structure, and movement of the currency pair that you're looking at, that you're aware of some of the fundamental background that could be moving that. You know, look, if you're sitting there, you know, right now we're in early November and of 2020. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is a non-farm payroll day. Ta-da! I mean, so we've got a presidential election going on right now. They're counting ballots. Who knows what kind of chaotic shit that's going to cause. I'm not doing any trading right now. And I sold my last building, my last real estate building back in September. And I took that cash, which is a sizable amount of cash, and I did not put it in stocks. It's just in cash because I don't know what the market is going to do. I'm 71 years old. What am I going to do? Buy friggin' Boeing stock or something and the thing craters another 30%? I'm going to sit on it. I'm sitting on my cash. I've got, like I said, I got from the proceeds of the sale of that building, I'll be funding my trading account with 6 figures with that money. But I haven't set that money into my brokerage account yet. I don't know what's going to happen. You know, I'll just continue to look at my little mini account and fart around with that and have a good time. I'm trading. Even when I'm not trading, I'm sitting in a position that's underwater on me right now. I'm still trading, even though, you know, I may end up just closing it out and taking the hit, or I may just wait till it rectifies itself, or I may just absorb it when I finally do send my money in and fund up my account. It doesn't matter. I'm sitting on my hands right now because of all the uncertainty. Presidential election, coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic, non-farm payrolls, that happens all the time, and just a whole host of other things. The guys are coming over to do that yearly service on my furnace next week. I don't know what's going to happen. They may say, your furnace is full of shit. Yeah, you need a new furnace. I don't know. But there are so many things right now that a prudent trader is going to sit on the sidelines. Why take any risk? Now, there's quite a bit of activity, enormous activity going on in the currency markets because it's not a betting field. It isn't like a fucking poker game. There's actual commerce behind each trade that go, well, 85% of the trades. We're only 15% as retail traders of that Forex market. So the rest of it is all conducting global finance. Huge corporations moving billions of dollars on a daily basis. $6 trillion a day. When I started looking at currency trading, or I was into currency trading quite a bit, it was a $5.5 trillion a day market. It's $6.4 trillion now. $6.4 trillion. It makes all the rest of the markets in the world combined look like shit dust. So yeah, there's stuff going on, but doesn't mean that you as a retail trader needs to go in and put your bet on the line. The dogs aren't ready to run yet, man. And if they do, you don't know which direction they're going to go in. So sit on your hands. Take some advice from Jesse Livermore and don't feel bad about not trading, because you are trading. That seems counterintuitive. You've got your account. You've got your methodology, your trading plan. You've got your tactical approach. You've got your strategies lined up. You've got the currency pair or pairs that you trade. You know the time frames that you're trading on, and you're watching the market. You're watching and you're looking for opportunities, and you have some guidelines as to what constitutes an entry signal. And so, you know, that's trading. But don't trade just to trade. Don't be an anticipatory trader. Hey, look, go look through my video list and you'll see a video on anticipatory trading. Go to my blog site at longwoodcurrencytrading.com and look for the blog post on anticipatory trading. Read those things because it's all very, very connected to what Livermore is saying. It was never my thinking that made me big money or made big money for me. It was my sitting. Peter Rose, Longwood Currency Trading. Have a great day. Have a great trading day. All right, come here, come here. All right, so you have to hear the thundering dog. Okay, here comes Bo. He's gonna haul ass up this hill. I'm gonna go up the hill a little bit, and then you can hear him in the leaves. Okay, Bo, let's go. Come. Come. Go, go, go. That's the bullet dog. Okay, so Bo is waiting for me, so I need to press on and finish the travelogue up. Then I'll add in, as you probably have guessed by now, is B-roll to the rest of my stuff. So there's the house and the screen house. So that's pretty cool. All right, good.